Hi everybody, my name is Bonnie and I'm here to help you through your farmers market experience through self-identification. Have you had the urge to control somebody else's business? If the answer is yes, we are here to help you. Please stay to the end of the video so you can learn the solutions we have for you. This is the tutorial on how not to be a farmers market Karen. Step 1. Don't possess the vendors. There's a very famous saying by a male Karen market host in Houston that goes like this. Welcome folks, this is my market and these are my vendors. Peasants. Step 2. Don't be jealous of your vendors. Every business deserves to outgrow where they started, and they have the right to expand their business even to somebody else's market. If you are not cutting it for the vendors and they want to go somewhere else, don't be jealous of their opportunities that they are mobile and growing throughout the town, through all the other markets, even to different cities. Don't be jealous of that. Step 3, don't overlap the vendors or products. There's nothing worse than going to a farmer's market and seeing 4 bread vendors, 6 crock shoe charm vendors, 4 soap vendors, and 5 artisan resale jewelry materials. That is such bad taste in hosting a farmer's market. Step 4, be genuine to your customers. If you have a farmer that is buying Walmart watermelons and reselling them for double the price, and you're telling all of your guests that it is a homegrown watermelon, it is the responsibility of a farmer's market manager to make sure there is no wholesale or resale products. The vendor itself will continue doing wholesale products for the rest of his life because he doesn't have a farm. But you as a market host should not be lying to guests, and you should know better to identify if the produce is actually grown or purchased from a corporate grocery store. Step 5, don't power trip. You work for your vendors, not the other way around. You are the stepping stone for your vendors to have a successful business. The farmer's market host is meant to be a way for other businesses to make money and have a community of clientele purchasing their product. So try not to feel like the big boss. Bonus example of how not to be a farmer's market Karen, don't price compare stored products of mass production to what you find at a farmer's market.
I bought these tomatoes for 88 cents at Walmart. Your price is outrageous.
Well, you didn't spend 40 hours on the farm harvesting them.
Walmart rules. Y'all suck.
If you feel personally victimized or identify with any of these qualities listed, please visit us on Sunday at Bonnie and Clyde Farmers Market, and we will have a very special